Open Android Studio. Create your new project in Android Studio. Here we need to type our project name. My project name I am typing learn code, and make everything is default, don't need to change. Put next, next, and finish it. It will take a time. Let's close it. And here is our first project in Android Studio. Let's go to activity main.xml. Right, so this is completely black, so we need to change our theme. Just click on app theme and choose day, night, OK, and here it is learn code and hello world. So now we need to run. Just click on run, and it will automatically detect your mobile if you are connected using USB, right? Just OK, and launching activity, and let's see in our mobile app. So learn code and hello world, right? So it's pretty good. So some next part, some upcoming part, we understand this main activity.java and go to main activity.xml, and here is the XML code we will understand in further videos. So if you like, please subscribe. Thanks.